Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about algebraic equation, not expression, it's an equation from algebra. We have seen vocabulary we are using from algebra, and we solved some quite good number of examples from algebra. Now we will see other definition which we already discussed, but still I want to revise here. So that is algebraic equation. So what do you mean by algebraic equation? An equation is a statement which contains two expressions that are equal. Here it's not an expression, it's an equation. So here we have the two expressions which are equal, but whereas in algebraic expression we will have only expression, we don't have any equal sign in algebraic expression, but whereas algebraic equation we will have two expressions which are equal. Okay, so the example for this is x plus 5 equal to 8, 2x minus 7 equal to 5. So in simple terms we will have the equal sign. So here x plus 5 is equal to how much value, which is 8. So both expressions are equal. Now let's see one example how we are going to solve the algebraic equation. Anna had 36 badges. After her mother gave her x more badges, she had 50 badges. Find the value of x. Whenever you are solving any word problem, you try to decrypt the data he has given, either in terms of a picture or in terms of simple words. Okay, so Anna had how many badges? So Anna had 36 badges. Okay, then what happened? After her mother gave, so she got some badges from her mother. So how many that one? That is x more. Means before she used to have like 36 badges. Now she got some x more badges from her mother. So now it becomes like 36 plus x. So after this operation, what happened? She had 50 badges. Means both together she had like how many badges? 50. Then what is the expression we need to write? So that is 36 plus x equal to 50. Then we have to solve the expression. So whatever we need, we will keep that one left hand side. So remaining we will assign it to right hand side. So whenever you are transferring, so the basic rules are addition will changes to subtraction and multiplication will change it to division and vice versa. Means again subtraction will changes to addition, division will changes to multiplication. Okay, so these are the basic rules when you are changing operations from left hand side to right hand side. Okay, so now x is equal to 50 minus 36, which is equal to x is equal to how much? 14. So that's it. So she has given, her mother has given how many badges? 14 badges to the Anna. Then the total becomes like 50 badges. Is it our answer correct? Yes, it is satisfying our expression. So let's see one more example. Again it's a word problem. Let me read. Sam made D plus 3 kites on Monday. He made D more kites on Tuesday than on Monday. If he made 60 kites on both days, find the value of D. Whenever we saw the word more or less, means here the comparison is there between two things. So that is, it's a comparison of kites between Monday and Tuesday. Okay, so total he made how many on both days, which is 60. Okay, so now we will try to decrypt the data over here. So what's the expression on Monday? So Monday he made like D plus 3 kites. Okay, next on Tuesday he made D more kites. Okay, so we have already seen how to write more expression. So Monday he made how many kites? D plus 3 kites. Okay, again on Tuesday he made D more kites. So how to write down the expression for D more? So which is whatever the Monday he made plus we need to add extra. So the extra is how much? D kites. Okay, more is nothing but we need to add, less is nothing but we need to subtract. Okay, so now we can simplify this expression. D plus 3 plus D, we have to add the like terms, which is equal to 2D plus 3. Next, so both together means on Monday plus Tuesday together he made like 60 kites. So we have to add these two expressions and make it to equal to 60. Okay, 2D plus 3, which is equal to 60. This is on Monday, this is on Tuesday. So he made total 60 kites. So make it equal to 60. Then now we have to simplify the expression. Then we can get the D value. Okay, so 2D plus D, which is 3D plus 3 plus 3, which is 6, equal to 60. Okay, now 3D is equal to 60 minus 6. Because we need to keep only D on left hand side, remaining all we need to send on right hand side. Okay, 60 minus 6, so which is equal to 54. So 3D is equal to 54. Then what is the D value? I told you, right? We need whatever we need, that we need to keep on left hand side, remaining all we need to send right hand side. So 54 over 3, which is equal to 18. So we got D is equal to 18. That means when you compare Monday and Tuesday, he made 18 kites more compared to Monday on Tuesday. So let's solve one more interesting problem. Here it is. The sum of two numbers is 3368. The difference is 1784. Find the smaller number. Let's draw the model for this. So we have two numbers. Okay. So when you add the two numbers, okay, we are getting sum like 3368. So here I am assuming here I have two numbers. When I add these two, I am getting 3368. Okay. So and difference. What do you mean by difference? When I subtracted one number from other, I am getting like 1784. What is the meaning of that statement? One number is big compared to other number. Okay. So then only I will get difference, right? So here the difference, this value is how much? 1784. What's the meaning of this statement? Somewhere they both have the same value. After that, one number is having more compared to other number, right? But we know one thing for sure, that when you add these two numbers, the total is 3368. So now we will add. If you think that the whatever the same they are sharing, that number is like x units or x variable. Okay, means both are same till x number or x units. Okay, so from here both are same, which is x, and what is the leftover value, which is 1784. So if we add two units or two variables, x plus the extra amount that one number has, which is 1784, then you should get how much? 3368, right? So now I am writing expression, which is x plus x, which is 2x plus 1784 is equal to how much? 3368. That's what, right? He said one number, two numbers. So two numbers, in that one number is x, one number is more than x. How much more? That is 1784. That's what I want to represent in the form of expression. See, both are same at x till x, they both are same, but only the number 2 doesn't have this value. How much value it is? That is 1784. This value is 1784, means automatically n1 value also here the value is 1784. So that's what I am representing here. Okay, so n1 plus n2 is equal to 3368. So n1 plus n2 is nothing but x plus 1784, which is equal to 2x plus 1784, which is equal to 3368. Now let's see, we'll solve the expression. I need to send this 1784 to that side because I need x value, so I'll keep x here and remaining all I'll send to that side. So 3368 minus 1784. Next, x is equal to how much? Wait, let me subtract first. So 1584. Okay, so I got 2x value now. Then what is x? Again I need to send this 2 to that side. 1584 minus over 2, so which is equal to 792. So now I got x is equal to how much? 792. X means what? That is a smaller number. Okay, so which is 1584. If they ask for a bigger number, then we need to add 1784 to the 1584. That's it for today's session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Here I wanted to post one homework problem. Try to solve it. Let me know your answers in the comment box. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.